Hello, Namaste, Assalamu Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Myself, Dr. Imli Kamba, Medical Officer Ayurveda, Northeastern Institute of Folk Medicine, an autonomous institute under Ministry of Ayush, Government of India.
तीसरी बात, अपनी इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाने के लिए आयुष मंत्रालय द्वारा जो निर्देश दिए गए हैं उसका अगर हम पालन करें, गर्म पानी है, काढ़ा है, इनका निरंतर सेवन करें।
This clip was a glimpse of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji's address to the citizens of India, wherein he has urged the citizens to follow the advisories given by Ministry of Ayush to increase the immunity. In the wake of COVID-19 outbreak, entire mankind across the globe is suffering. Enhancing the body's natural defense mechanism, that is immune system, plays a very important role in maintaining optimum health. We all know prevention is better than cure. While there is no medicine for COVID-19 as of now, it will be good to take preventive measures which boost our immunity in this time. Ayurveda, being the science of life, draws from the concepts of dinacharya, that is daily regimes, and ritucharya, that is seasonal regimes, to maintain healthy life. The simplicity of awareness of oneself and the harmony each individual can achieve by uplifting and maintaining his immunity is emphasized across Ayurvedic classical scriptures. Recommended measures, general measures. Drink warm water throughout the day. Daily practice yoga asana, pranayam and meditation for 30 minutes as advised by Ministry of Ayush. Spices like haldi, turmeric, jeera, cumin, dhania, coriander and lasuna, garlic are recommended in cooking. Ayurveda immunity promoting measures. Take Chyawanprash 10 grams 1 TSF in the morning. Diabetic should take sugar-free Chyawanprash. Take herbal tea decoction kadha prepared from tulsi, basil, dalchini, cinnamon, kali mirch, black pepper, shunthi, dry ginger and munakka resin once or twice a day. Add jaggery, natural sugar or fresh lemon juice to your taste if needed. Golden milk, half teaspoon haldi, turmeric powder in 150 ml of hot milk once or twice a day. Simple Ayurvedic procedures. Nasal application or nasya. Apply sesame oil, that is til tela, coconut oil or ghee in both the nostrils. Pratimarsha nasya in morning and evening. Oil pulling therapy. Kavala. Take 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, that is tila tela or coconut oil in mouth. Do not drink. Swish in the mouth for 2 to 3 minutes and spit it off, followed by warm water rinse. This can be done once or twice a day. During dry cough, sore throat, steam inhalation with fresh pudina, mint leaves or ajwain, caraway seeds can be practiced once in a day. Lavanga, clove powder mixed with natural sugar or honey can be taken 2 to 3 times a day in cases of cough and throat irritations. These measures generally treat normal dry cough and sore throat. However, it is advisable to consult a doctor if these symptoms persist. These measures are recommended by following eminent Vaidyas from across the country. There is no known cure for COVID-19. Take care of the old as their immunity is depleted and the young as their immunity is not well developed. Stay indoors, stay healthy, stay safe. We will fight and we will win. Korbo lorbo jit pore. Thank you. Dhanyavad.